Hey everyone. Today, let's crack the code on the count function in DataStage. Imagine you have a giant spreadsheet, and you need to count how many times a specific value appears. Doing it manually would be a nightmare, right? That's where count steps in like a superhero. It makes data analysis faster, automates tallying, and helps handle massive datasets effortlessly. And the best part, you don't need to pull out a calculator every time. Let's dive in and see how it works. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system. Intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Alright, let's start with a quick intro to DataStage. Think of it as the ultimate helper for managing complex data, kind of like a Swiss Army knife for ETL processing. From extraction to transformation, it handles everything. And count, that's just one of its super handy tools, letting us analyze patterns effortlessly. Once we master these core functions, handling data becomes smooth sailing. Excited to learn more? Let's keep going. The count function is like that friend who helps you keep track of things effortlessly. Whether it's counting how many times Apple appears in your grocery list or spotting trends in business data. It's perfect for detecting patterns, speeding up analysis, and making informed decisions without the guesswork. So if you've ever struggled with manual counting, Count is here to make life easier. Now let's talk syntax, the backbone of the count function. It's pretty straightforward, count expression. Just plug in the value and DataStage does the hard work for you. Whether handling structured data or complex queries, count fits right in. No fancy tricks, no overwhelming complexity, just clean, efficient counting. Let's see it in action. Alright folks, let's talk about count in the transformer stage. This function is like a reliable accountant. It helps tally records and make sure your data is structured neatly. It's widely used for summarizing data, making it indispensable for reporting. The transformer stage takes it a step further, refining datasets for better clarity. Oh, and if you've ever had missing values messing up your numbers, count is your best friend in identifying and handling them. Setting up count in DataStage is simpler than assembling IKEA furniture. Well, almost. First, integrate it into your DataStage logic so it works seamlessly. Choose the right key columns so your count is accurate, no surprise bloopers. A performance tuning ensures your jobs run fast and smooth. And last but not least, always validate your results. A miscount could be embarrassing, like showing up to a party thinking you're the only guest when it's actually packed. You might think count is just a simple function, but it's got big responsibilities. In finance, it helps sum up transactions, every penny matters. Businesses use it for customer analytics, knowing who's buying what. Healthcare data. Count makes reporting accurate because precision matters when lives are involved. And did I mention fraud detection? Count is on duty ensuring shady transactions don't slip through unnoticed. Errors are not so friendly reminders that we need to double-check things. Selecting the wrong column can lead to a count disaster. Optimizing performance prevents bottlenecks. No one likes a slow report. Null values. Handle them like a pro or risk messy calculations. And debugging is a must. You wouldn't want a faulty count function unless you enjoy chasing ghosts in your data. If you want count to work like a champ, follow these best practices. Indexing columns speeds things up like giving your data a fast lane. Optimize queries so DataStage doesn't break a sweat processing large datasets. Validation is key, always check sample data to ensure accuracy. And most importantly, use count strategically. It's not just about numbers, it's about meaningful insights that drive decisions. We've come full circle, and by now you should be a count expert. It plays a vital role in structured data analysis, giving clarity to massive datasets. Proper implementation ensures insights are reliable, and optimization keeps things running efficiently. But hey, learning never stops. Keep exploring count and other functions to stay ahead, because in the data world, knowledge is power. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.